What did I get the money? $50 million. What I am going to do today? That gives me an idea. I will fidget toys some $50 billion money. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's fidget toys some $500 billion. 24 months later. Jessica, do you want the fidget toys?
Yes. Oh my gosh, it's $5 group of zeros, Emerald. Wait, where's my fidget toys?
Ugh, I don't know. Wait a minute, it's so like $5 group of zeros. Emerald gets stoles his fidget toys. Oh my gosh, I getting managers. Ugh, what do you need? Yes! If you guys are getting this $5 group of zeros, Emerald, when I was getting this emerald from my money, Emerald was pretending to be stoles his fidget toys, just to emerald money easily, and scammed a lot of fidget toys, and she's now caught Green Emerald Man. He did what? Oh my gosh! He stole his fidget toys. Thank you telling me. I'm calling you Diamond to pick up.
I wonder who could be calling me. Hello? Someone gets a phone call?
It's me, Mr. Bonus. When I was coming back to the fidget toys, Emerald was pretending to be $5 group of zeros, just to make money easily, and scammed a lot of stoles his fidget toys, and she's now caught Emerald Man.
What? She was stoles his fidget toys. Oh, thanks for telling me. Now I'm going to ground him, Emerald.
Wow! This is a lot of fidget toys. Let's see with Poppet.
Emerald, 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 emerald. Get over here right now.
Oh crap.
Emerald, what did you $500 million from Emerald?
Ugh. I will getting this is $5 group of zeros to get Emerald for fidget toys.
Emerald, how dare you getting $5 group of zeros for Emerald? Now he's stole his fidget toys. That's it. You grounded for 42 years. Go to your room right now. Really be ashamed of yourself.
What? Hey.